everybody, this is Robin. I'm here with Evil Client and we're doing a series of tutorials for beginners. I am going to do a very simple and very cool and fast way to do like the most beginning flower ever. Okay, so here we go. I used acrylic paint that I bought at Michael's. I sprayed it down with water and I have a teal and a blue here and I mixed them together and that makes like a periwinkle, and I love periwinkle blue. I should use it more in my tutorials and I don't know why I don't. Anyway, so I am just going to go in and dot that. See how it's like just a little dot? Like that. That would be just a little, those little, I think they're called lobelia that you see on everybody's garden here. They just grow wild and they're just little darling flowers. This is perfect to add to an addition to any floral that you're doing. If it needs a little something to fill in the gaps, these are what you want. Because they don't take away from the design, they just add to it. And it's a fun trick and tip to do. If you have like a whole design going on and you just, something is missing, then you just put a few of these on there and it really makes a difference. Then you take your yellow and using your brush straight up and down, you use it as a dotting tool and you just dot the yellow in there. Boop, boop, boop. It doesn't have to be dry. If you see, my paint is not dry. Yeah. And then you can make bigger ones like that, and if you wanted to you could add more lines and stuff like that and just keep on adding until you just have a whole bunch. And you can even do these in different colors, like you can add orange ones and pink ones, but this is the basic idea. And I know that it looks so simple to be true, but this will save your time schedule so many times. If you just need something and you can't think of anything, this is a wonderful design, especially for spring and summer. I will see you back with more, and thank you for sharing, subscribing, and spreading the word. And please spread the word that I'm coming out with a whole bunch of beginner tutorials so that you guys can start combining all of the tutorials I have in my flowers playlist. Bye guys!